Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Hostinger hosting, and also how to add your website in Hostinger so it's live and ready to go. This works for any website, WordPress, custom HTML, or Hostinger's own website builder. Step 1. Log in to Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have one yet, go to hostinger.com. Click Login if you have account, else choose Sign Up and choose your hosting plan, and complete the purchase. Once you're in, you'll land in the hPanel dashboard. Step 2. Copy Hostinger nameservers. In hPanel, click on your hosting plan, scroll to nameservers, and copy both. They usually look like ns1.dnsparking.com, ns2.dnsparking.com. Make sure you copy them exactly, without spaces. Step 3. Log in to Namecheap. Now, in a new tab, log in to namecheap.com. If you're new, click Sign Up and register your account, then buy a domain if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to Domain List from the left menu. Find your domain and click Manage. Step 4. Change nameservers. Under Nameservers, select Custom DNS from the dropdown. Paste the Hostinger nameservers you copied earlier, one in each field. Click the green checkmark to save. Pause here, because this is where patience comes in. DNS updates can take anywhere from 30 minutes up to 24 hours to fully connect. Step 5. Add your website in Hostinger. While you're waiting, you can add your site in Hostinger so it's ready when the connection completes. From hPanel, click Add Website. Enter your domain name, the same one you updated in Namecheap. Choose whether you want to install WordPress, use Hostinger's AI website builder, or upload your own files. Follow the on-screen steps, and Hostinger will prepare your hosting environment automatically. Extra tip: works for other registrars too. This method works the same way if your domain is from GoDaddy, Google Domains, BL. You just replace their default name servers with Hostinger's, and that's it. You've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Hostinger hosting and set up your website so it's ready to go live. Remember, DNS propagation takes time, so check your site after a few hours.